How to transfer Google Play Store balance to your bank account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about if we can transfer Google Play Store balance to your bank account or not. So first let me just show you one quick option which everybody does. So what you can do is just head over to your profile section at the Play Store, and from here you can see the option called payments and subscriptions. So simply tap on it and click on this payment method, and what you can do is you can just add a payment method. You can add edit credit card or debit card, and when you tap on more payment settings, as you can see, you can just add a payment method. You can't actually do anything after adding a payment method. That means you can't transfer. The Google Play doesn't allow to transfer the Google Play balance to your bank or debit card or any other account. So it's only permitted to be used or purchase stuff on Google Play. So don't follow the blind tutorials blindly completely like that. So as Google won't allow anything to the Google Play balance to be transferred, so people might show you the options like this as well by simply heading over to this help and feedback option and choosing a option to transfer the balance. So there is no any actual option to transfer your balance, Google Play balance, to your bank account. So hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.